Today I'm going to show you how to clean a dryer vent. Hooray! The first thing you want to do is pull your dryer away from the wall and unplug it. Next you'll need to unhook the vent hose by loosening the screw for the clamp. Once you've detached the vent hose, you may need to move the dryer so you have some room to work. With the hose off, we'll now need to find the other end of this vent, which is going to lead outside, and it's going to look something like this white cover. This vent cover has these 3 flaps to prevent things like dirt, wall gnomes, or birds from getting inside. If these vents are obstructed, it could lead to a fire, which is why we're going to clean it out. To get it cleaned properly, I need to take off this cover by removing these 4 screws. I can use a screwdriver or a socket bit like this. Once the screws are removed, you can reach inside and pull out the vent cover. With that cover off, we're now ready to go back inside and get this thing cleaned out. Go back to your vent, then grab a leaf blower from your closet, throw it in the vent and turn it on. Run it for about a minute or until you stop seeing debris coming out of the vent. There's no more debris, so I'm going to look inside the vent and make sure everything got out. If these larger lint chunks continue to grow in size, they could potentially block the vent and become a major fire hazard. Make sure there's no plants or any outdoor equipment or furniture blocking these vents, or else it will obstruct the airflow. I recommend blowing these vents out at least once a year, and you may want to do it more frequently if there's a large buildup of lint in front of them. We've got the vent cleaned up, so now let's put it back together. Once the cover's on, double check that all the flaps open and clean off any extra lint or dirt. It's crazy to see how much buildup was inside the pipe, and now that I've removed it, the hot air from the dryer will flow much better, and that will help prevent a fire. The last step is to rehook up the dryer. If you need to stretch the hose, a quick tip is to grab it from the middle, then stretch it out, otherwise you could pull it off the dryer. I'm going to reattach the hose, tighten the clamp, then turn on the dryer. The dryer's venting the hot air correctly through the hose, so I checked outside and there was no debris coming out of the vents. So we're done here. If this video helped you, you can now go out and help someone else. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.